everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales. Today, we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales application knowledge, tact for yourself to protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales, and Golden International Daily Actions. Participating for learn and obtain effect and so on. We have already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we give lesson about the leg. The 2 legs, your feet stand for the T-shirt, and the weight shift that's like weight. And then shift the weight to that's like weight. Yes, that's the total leg action. That's leg action, couple things we need to know. No. Okay. Number 1, the feet touch floor must lightly, cannot have any sound, make any sound, lightly. Number 2, the knee must inside the cross, cannot straight or get cross. Yes, and the leg must raise. Cannot do that way, okay? And the feet cannot do that. Yes. So, we will do 2 times about the leg action. Somebody say, the leg action is too tough. I cannot do. Easy. You can use some action instead of, before you stand up your correct action. First of all, you can do that, okay, as the weight shift to that leg, big toe, second toe touch floor, the knee still cross inside, and then move. Look the side. And then you can do little raise your leg, feet. And then you can make little high. And finally, absolutely, you can read correct action. Everybody is so smart. The action, not complication. So absolutely you can do. Just step by step, little by little, change it. Then you fit like got the power. Then you can do correct. But any action and weight, weight is shift. That's hold. And then that's weight shift, hold. One leg is free, can do action. One leg hold the weight. That's must clear. Yes. Okay. And then now we can do 2 times about leg action. So now we will teach hand action. Hand action got 2 different actions. And the finger close. Okay. Finger straight. Palm close. Finger straight. And straight. Cross. Move. And with the shoulder even. And with the body one side. Switch palm. Okay, now we do first kind hand action 2 times. Yes, the palm raise angle like 90 degrees, but sometimes cannot do just raise. Okay, now we can connect first kind hand action and with leg action. Very good. Second kind hand action is just palm turn. Palm face to face. Still straight as you can do. Yes, cannot do that way. That's only one way. Yes. And plus head move, turn 90 degrees. And then back, turn again. Only 90 degrees, no more. Yes. Okay, now we can connect head, and hand together. Yes, correct. And now we connect leg action and hand action for second time. Hand, okay. Very good. Now we connect 2 kind hand action and head action and leg connect. We need count. Yes, 2 kind different language. In here we choose the English Hanyu. Somebody say, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, English, Spanish, right? We need 2 kind different language. Somebody also asked, why should we use the 2 kind different language to count? Good question. Because we want to protect our trachea and lung, because our trachea lung also need everyday exercise. Far away bronchitis, lung disease, and even lung cancers, and various pandemic, and many different diseases. So we need to use two different language to protect our trachea lung. So now we do 4 times. Eyes look straight, and the little toe head turn. Still eyes look straight with your smiling face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Very good. Do that action couple things we must know. Number 1, the feet touch floor lightly, cannot make any sound. Number 2, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 3, the hand straight and cross, palm cross, and palm and arm got the angle. 90, not 90, but as straight you can do, just try to. And only that way with body one side. Cannot do that way. No, only that way. Yes. And your leg should keep the knee cross. Cannot make straight. Yes. And your leg should cannot do that way. Yes. And the feet correct. Cannot do that way. Okay. We connect leg, hand to different action and count by English and Hanyu. Eyes look straight, smile your face. We do 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the action should slowly. Make sure your action is correct position. For example, that's correct action. But if you do that, that's not good for protect your body. It is impossible. Can do. you cannot do for that. Okay, you must keep straight. Yes, slowly. Guarantee your action is a good position. Crack. Then crack loudly. You must crack loudly. At home, you can easily protect your own head. Far away, various pandemic, bronchitis, lung disease, and even lung cancer, and so on, many diseases. You really got to happy, enjoy your great life.